Hey guys, this is Jonathan from Jayne Design, and in this video we're going to first go over how to send a message using the PHP interface, and then we'll go over how to track how many people have viewed your email. So right now we're on the PHP login page, which you should have received the link to in an email with both your username and your password. So after you input your credentials, go ahead and press enter, and this will log you in to the PHP list main admin page. If you notice on the right hand side there's a sidebar with various links. We're going to go ahead and click on send a message to bring us to the message interface. We have various tabs such as content, format, scheduling, criteria, list, and miscellaneous, and we're going to go over all of these. What you can do in the content tab is change the subject of the email, show who the email is being sent from, and we're also able to change and input the body of the email in this big text box down here. For example, let's say I'm going to say good morning to all of Jayne Design clients. I'll go ahead and type good morning as the subject. I'll leave the from line as it is, and in the message text box I will type good morning everyone. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Cheers, Jonathan. Now this is just the content of the email. All the styling of what goes above, below, and around this content is all dependent on which template you use. We'll go over that a bit later in the Formats tab, but for now, if you want to change the footer for this particular message, you can do so here. Normally we'll already have it tailored to how you want it, so you don't have to make any changes. Remember to click Save Changes so that you can safely switch between tabs without losing any of this data. If you go to the Format tab, you can choose whether you want to send an HTML email or a text email. If you have a custom template that we designed, it probably does have HTML, and it's best to leave it as it is. And if you have multiple templates, you're able to select the one you want to use it here. Jayne has a business template and a personal template. This email would be more personal, so I'll leave it as it is. I didn't make any changes, so I can just go ahead and jump to scheduling. Scheduling is used if you want to send this message at a later date. Say you want to send it next month, you can do so by clicking December or any day, and then once you process this message, it'll be sent out a month later. I want to send it now, so I will go ahead and not save anything, and I will jump to criteria. Criteria is used if you have different attributes to each user. So say that you wanted all your subscribers to choose between cats and dogs on which of their favorite animals was. You can use this criteria tab to choose to send this email only to people that selected cats, or you could choose to send it to people that only selected dogs. Pretty much up to you what you want to do. We'll go ahead and jump to miscellaneous, and this is used to alert when the emails are starting to go out and when they're finished sending out. I'll show you why this is probably redundant for most of you in a bit. So for now, let's go to list. And this enables you to choose which subscription list that this email message will be sent out to. I don't really want to send it to all of your clients because this is just a demonstration video, so I'm going to go ahead and click testing list, and then I will send message. You would think that this button sends out your message for you, but it actually doesn't. It places your email into a process queue. To actually send out the email, what you want to do is process the message queue, and you'll be prompted with this screen that confirms that your email has been sent out to this many users and it took this many seconds to send out your message. This is why I said the miscellaneous tab is redundant, because it shows all the data right over here. Now that pretty much sums up how to send a message. Now I'm going to quickly go over how to track these messages. If you notice on the right hand side, there's also a messages link on the sidebar. And you'll see statistics on every message you sent, such as the subject of the message and the date you sent it on. If you notice, this is the email I just sent out. And if you notice down here, it says viewed and unique views. This shows up once an email has been opened the first time, and it lets you know how many times your email has been opened, and it lets you know by how many different people have opened it. It's pretty much up to you how you interpret this data, but it's useful to know how active your subscribers are in reading your emails and how frequently they're reading them. With that said, this video tutorial has come to an end. I hope you have learned a lot. If you have any follow-up questions, feel free to contact us at Jayne Design. Thank you for watching this video.